Are you working us?
Yep. Flag him quick. Flag him quick. Okay, put it down, put it down, put it down. See how they turned them like that?
Yeah.
These three are gonna do it right away. Kill him. Kill that one right there. Good shot. Did you shoot one, Kevin?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nice job.
Good job, guys. Before you go get them, put a shell or two in case one decides to fly. Dude, I shot one like 3 times. I don't know how I missed it. That one right here. Oh, there's more. Come on, set up. Just grab them and get in. Go slow. It's all right. We'll get more. I was gonna let them land, but they got left and they started to drift towards us. I'm like, okay, we'll shoot them right here. There's only 3 of us, so if we shoot 3, I'm happy.
Were you gonna let them land so the others would commit?
Yeah.
For sure. I think I did. Is there? No. That was my bird.
You like to say that a lot, but
We'll review the footage.
I wasn't looking. We'll be able to see on this one behind us.
That was definitely the one I took my first shot at. Maybe.
Which was that one?
I mean, I definitely took my first shot, the one on the right. Yeah.
Oh, then your second shot was the one you finished off on the ground here?
Yeah.
Oh. I was just surprised we shot all 3. Because considering I took 3 shots to kill my one. Hello, welcome back to another outdoor adventure somewhere in Wisconsin. Late goose season here in Wisconsin. We're on our property that we hunt a lot during late season. Once everything freezes up, the geese seem to pile into this lake that's right by us here, and it's the only thing that's still open. So the geese pile in there and they happen to hit this field, especially if it's corn. I came in here yesterday, scouted it. I scouted a few days ago, nothing in it. Came in here yesterday and there was, I mean, 1,000+ birds in here, I bet. We just knocked 3 down, so decent start. We had 2 groups work us, 3 groups work us. Some of them landed in the second group. First group didn't really like it, and the third group didn't like it. So I guess we'll kind of see what happens here. We maybe could have shot a couple more when we shot the 3. We went out to get those geese really quick though, so didn't quite work out for us. But I'm hunting with Kevin, hunting with Luke. Hunted with them once or twice last year. And then Greg and Tom will also be coming. They have to work until, they'll be here about 3 though, so should be a fun one. I think we'll see a lot of action here as it gets a little closer to sunset, and hopefully we knock down some geese today, a few more geese anyway. But we shot 3, so it's been successful. Left, guys, left, coming over back. 2 single. There's a pair here. There's one landing. If he gets up, do we shoot him or no?
Watch a single. I got
What's up?
Squid load.
What'd you say? Squid, hold on, I'm gonna shoot this one right here. If they're all down, we could probably leave them. Yeah, flip them over. Sweet. I just shot 2. Hey, right here in front, right here in front. How many did you shoot, Tom? How's that? Fun?
I hit one for sure.
Yeah.
I hit one laying down, which was kind of fun too.
Oh, you did?
I was like this.
Oh, you shot that way? Did I get up too early, guys, or no?
No, you're
Okay.
good.
Right as I got up, they started to come back across our face. I'm like,
No, you were good.
Okay.
You land there, and then it scooped the whole group. And
yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I shot 2.
We're fucking yelling at this one to get up.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 out there. There's a belly up out at the front of the spread. Did you shoot 3? I shot 2 to my left. Kevin, did you get any shots off? Should we grab that belly up out there quick?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab him.
Or at least put them.
No, it worked perfect, Chase, honestly.
Okay.
The second you popped up for those, this one that landed in front, Tom
Yeah.
went for that, then the whole group
I saw him swing left. I'm like, oh, I got it just
they
a little
all
bit too
swung in
early.
front, and me and Tom just started picking them out in front.
Yeah. You shot 1 back there.
I like this.
I shot 2 to the left.
Yeah, I hit one laying down.
Did you?
Yeah.
He was.
Oh, you went backwards?
He shot me.
Perfect.
We can go grab that one back there if you want. Quick.
I grabbed it.
No, my last
Oh.
ball, I saw
Oh, smashed the decoy. Dude, we just shoot like 6 or 7 out of that group. I wonder why they wanted to land over there. Just the wind, I guess. I think. Is that him? Go.
Kill that bird. Hey. There we go, last shot.
There we go. Sweet.
North.
Finish them up.